And we're back, but this time making the witch's chin. So for the chin, we're going to use the same green DK yarn and 4mm hook. I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and into the second chain from hook I'm going to do 1 single crochet, and then I'm going to do 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 chains. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Now into the last chain I'm going to do 3 single crochets all into that last chain. 1, 2 and 3. So this has allowed me to rotate my work so I can now work into the bottom of the stitches we've just made. So I'm now going to do 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, 2 and 3, and into the last stitch I'm going to do 2 single crochets, and this will give us a total of 12 stitches working in the round. Now for our next row we want to increase to 18 stitches from 12, so into the first stitch I'm going to do 2 single crochets, so that's 1 and 2. I'm now going to do 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now into the next 3 stitches I'm going to do 2 single crochet into each of them, so 1 and 2 into the first stitch, 1 and 2 into the second stitch, and 1 and 2 into the third stitch. Now I'm going to do 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and I'm going to do 2 single crochets into the last 2 stitches of this round, so 1 and 2 into the first stitch, 1 and 2 into the last stitch. So we now have 18 stitches, and we're going to single crochet around these 18 stitches for 10 rows. So I'll meet you back here when my 10 rows are complete. So after your 10 rows of single crochet around, we want to increase from 18 stitches to 24. And to do that we're going to single crochet in 2 stitches and then do 2 single crochets into the following stitch, and we're going to do that 6 times. So let's begin our first increase. So I'm going to single crochet in 1 and 2, and then increase in the next stitch for 3 and 4. Single crochet 5, 6, and increase in the next for 7 and 8. Single crochet 9, 10, increase in the next for 11 and 12. Single crochet 13, 14, increase in the next for 15 and 16, single crochet 17, 18, increase into the next stitch for 19 and 20, single crochet 21, 22, and increase in the last stitch for 23 and 24. We're now going to increase from 24 to 30 stitches, so I'm going to single crochet into 3 stitches and then do an increase in the next stitch, and I'm going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1 and 2, 3, and increase in the next stitch for 4 and 5, single crochet 6, 7, 8, and increase in the next stitch for 9 and 10, single crochet 11, 12, 13, increase for 14 and 15, single crochet 16, 17, 18, increase for 19 and 20, single crochet 21, 22, 23, increase for 24 and 25, single crochet 26, 27, 28, and increase in the last stitch for 29 and 30. We're now going to do one round of single crochet around, so single crochet these 30 stitches one round. We're now going to do our last increase round, so I'm going to increase to 36 stitches. So we're going to single crochet in 4 stitches and do 2 into the following stitch 6 times. So single crochet 1 and 2, 3, 4, and increase in the next for 5 and 6. Single crochet 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then increase for 11 and 12, single crochet 13, 14, 15, 16, increase for 17 and 18, single crochet 19 and 20, 21, 22, and increase for 23 and 24, single crochet 25, 26, 27, 28, and then increase for 29 and 30, and then single crochet 31, 32, 33, 34, and increase for 35 and 36. Now for our next 2 rows we're just going to single crochet around, so single crochet these 36 stitches twice. Next we're going to make the straps, so I'm going to single crochet to the next side of the chin. And once I get to the very side stitch, I'm going to stop, and now I'm going to chain 100 chains, and this is for 1/2 of our strap. And then when we get to our 100th chain, I'm going to cut my yarn, pull the end through tight, and then cut this piece of yarn as close to the knot as I can. And now we need to repeat this on the other side. So with my crochet hook I'm going to insert it into the very opposite side of the strap we've just made, hook the green yarn and pull it through, and then I'm going to tie a knot in it to secure. Now I'm going to reinsert my hook into the stitch, pull up a loop and begin to chain 100 again. And we're going to repeat exactly what we did for the first strap. And the last thing we need to do to give our chin some shape is to stuff it with our polyfill. And now we have a matching chin to go with our nose. So in the next part we will be making the witch's fingers. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in part 3. Bye now!